So students, last time we completed practice at 3.2, now practice at 3.3. For starting this exercise, we have to know two important formulae. Sum, for example, formula, I'm taking example. This is an AP 2, then 5, then 8, then 11 and so on. What is first term here? Obviously 2 T1, then here to T2, then T3 and T4. These are the four terms which is written on a blackboard. So if somebody asks, what is the sum of all these four terms? What is the sum of all four terms? Then what is your answer? 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 11, 26. So this is the easy sum because there are only four terms, but there are so many terms in any example. So how we can find the sum of all terms? That is why they given one formula, Sn. N means any number, n upon 2 in bracket T1 plus Tn. If I use this formula, I can find sum of these four terms. See, orally I can find sum of all these four terms is equal to 26. Now by formula I can use this formula sums. So how many terms are there? 4 terms. So S4. So 4 upon 2. What is T1? T1 is known as the first term. So 2. What is Tn? Tn is known as the last term. 11. So you will get same answer here also. Cancel 2. 11 plus 2, 13. And there is a multiply sign. So again 26. So this is the sum of 4 terms. Okay. So this is the useful formula. And another one formula is there. We can write as a OR. Second formula, Sn. Again, S means sums. N upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Now there is one confusion when I can use this formula and when I can use this formula. No confusion, because when there is a means first term and difference is given, then I can use second formula, and when there is a first term, that is T1, and last term is given, I can use first formula. So I can write here n. Sn means sum of nth term. N means any number. N is equal to any number. T1 is equal to first term. T1 is equal to what? First term. And Tn is equal to what? Last term. And second formula I am writing here, or Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. What is the meaning of this formula? Sn, same, sum. S means sum. Sum of nth term. N is equal to any number which is given in a question paper. A is also known as a first term. T1 and A both are same. First term. And what I require, D. D is a, as we know, common difference. Okay. These are the meaning of this formula. So you have to by heart these both sums and you have to write this sum formula. Now I am starting with the first sum. It is very simple. It is given in a form of activity. A is equal to 6, B is equal to 3. Find as 27. That means n is equal to 27. So they write formula here. N upon 2. Here box is there. Activity means you have to put in a proper number in the box. So obviously they use this formula because D also given. So 2a is in our box. S27, n is 27 given. 27 upon 2, 12 plus 27 minus 1 D. Near box. So what is D here? 3. Bracket completed. Then 27 upon 2. Then they given only one box. That means we have to do this calculation at a rough page. So I am rough work. So 12, 27 minus 1, 26, 26 into 3. So first multiplication, then addition. Because rule says first multiplication, then addition. 27, 6 3s are 78. So 78 plus 2, 90. So in my box, you have to do this work as a rough work. Only you have to write out proper answer or final answer 90. Then again they given 27 into 45. Now I come to know why 45, because 90 divided by 2. Then again box is given. So 27 into 45, 45 into 27, 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28, plus 3 31, 45 2s are 90. So my final answer is 1215. This is my activity complete. Okay, so first sum is over.